Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. I have for you today the Balanced Snack Box. This is my third, but this is the big one. This is the big snacker. And I'm a little worried because I hear something heavy shifting around in here, and I'm afraid my lighter snacks may have got squished. So let's get into this and see what we've got. Hey guys, just a quick pop in here at the beginning of the video. You are about to see me say that this is a different type of box than it is, and then have a little bit of a confusing unboxing because I get increasingly befuddled as time goes on. I will explain more dressed like this at the very end, but I almost didn't keep this video because I get so confused and I'm so wrong, quite frankly. But it's still a really great box, and I wanted you guys to see it. So let's proceed, and be sure and look for me dressed like this at the end to explain what actually happened. Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Welcome to Nancy Ann's Unboxings. I am really glad you're here with me today to discover the Balanced Snack Box Big Snacker. This is different than the one I got the two times before. The two times before I got the regular sized box and it was gluten-free, which wasn't working out so great for me because I think that put more products with tree nuts in them, which I'm allergic to. My husband liked it, but I thought we'd see what this is like. I tried to find a camera angle where you could both see the box and most of the contents and a little bit of my furry friend Ruger over there. Ruger loves filming days. He comes down here, he very happily curls up on his bed and he immediately goes to sleep. And right now I can hear him snoring, although you probably can't. He loves to film, and it just cracks me up how much this dog has fallen into the routine of being a YouTube dog. Okay, there we go, another one of my rabbit trails. So let me tell you a little bit about the Balance Company. The Balance Company is created by a woman named Evie to bring more balanced and healthy lifestyle to you. They have several different types of boxes. In addition to a men's and a women's box, they have the snack box right here and a pantry box. Now the pantry box is going to be things that you would put in your pantry, things that would help you along with meals, recipe ingredients, that type of thing. Then we've got the lifestyle box, which I think is going to be like along the lines of FabFitFun, more lifestyle type items in it. I saw somebody unbox it, reminded me some of a FabFitFun box. And then they have a home box, which of course is going to be home items. And then the discovery box has a little smattering of all the different types of boxes to help you discover about the company. If you get your first box and they offer to let you have that discovery box for $10, I would seriously consider doing that because it's a great price. If you use my link down below, you will save 15% off of your first Balance box. This does get me points with the company. I'm not an affiliate with them. I did pay for this box, and that can add up into benefits for me down the road. But it's just a regular affiliate link like you would have if you signed up with them also. It's also worth noting, let me put my glasses on again, that all boxes start shipping the 4th of each month. So new subscribers have between the first and last day of the month or order period to order the following month's box. And all subscriptions auto-renew on the 11th of the renewal month. So mine just auto-renewed. I changed this just in time to get the bigger box sent to me. Okay, as far as boxes that they have a lifestyle box for men or women. So that's the men's and women's boxes. These are lifestyle boxes geared to men or women. And of the snack boxes then, they have, let me get to that. So of the different types of boxes that they have, these, by the way, are jam-packed with healthy snacks that are made of high-quality ingredients. It says that right there in the website, so it must be true. So they have got an original snack box with 5 to 8 full-size healthy snacks, plus samples, bonus items, and exclusive offers. And they start at $32.99 in price. Then they have a mini snacker that has 10 to 12 individual size items, plus bonus items. And those are $24.99. Then they have a gluten-free snack box, again with the 5 to 8. So this is your mid-sized. And this is $34.99, 5 to 8 full-size, healthy, gluten-free products. Oh, words always. Why did I become a YouTuber when I struggle so with words? And then there's the vegan box, also $34.99. And then there's a keto-friendly box. Now this one is $39.99. I'm guessing keto-friendly things are more expensive. And it also has the 5 to 8 full-size healthy items, plus samples and bonus items and exclusive offers, just like in the other regular size boxes. Then we've got the Big Snacker Balanced Snack Box. That should be this one. And this has 10 to 12 full-size products, 5 individual sized items, bonus products, and exclusive offers. This one is $47.99. And something I just noted is that they added tax to my box, which I found curious, but I went back and looked at past boxes, and I believe they added tax then. There was a little bit of a confusion for me on the last box because someone, thank you very much, used my 15% off code. I think that's how I got extra points, and I had $5 credit on that one. So that was pretty awesome. So thank you very much to the people who are using my links. Regardless of the type of link you use on my channel, it really does help me to continue going because it saves me money so that I can keep ordering products to bring to you. Alrighty, let's get into the box. I am excited to get into this one. Let's see how we look inside. There we go. So we've got, all right, let's see what we've got here. I'm gonna need my glasses. So we've got the pamphlet just kind of introducing you to the box, what it's about. So then there's a code for 10% off. Of course, my link down below will get you 15%, which is a better deal. Here we go. First of all, one of our individual size items. There should be 5 of these if I remember correctly. These are Ugly's Kettle Chips Sweet, and they're sweet potato chips. Oh boy, I love sweet potato chips and sweet potato fries. It's not easy being ugly, but our lacking in the looks department is more than made up for in taste. And these are made from potatoes, the Ugly's brand, that would have otherwise been discarded. They don't look good, and so they can't sell them, but they're still perfectly fine and nutritious. I just love that they're using food that would otherwise probably go to waste. Then we have a full size. This must be what was beating things up inside the box. Keto Hungry Squirrel Premium Triple Berry Sauce. No added sugar, gluten. Maybe I did get a keto box and I didn't realize it. I may have. I'm seeing nuts in here. I'll need to go and clarify with them on that. No added sugar, gluten-free, and plant-based. Huh. Triple berry sauce. What do you do with this? Do you put it on ice cream? Do you put it on pancakes? What do I do with this? It's only 15 calories and 2 tablespoons. So yeah, no added sugar. Now we've got bone broth. We got this in last month's. This is lemon ginger with MCT oil. Not a ginger fan. I might try it, but I don't think I'm going to enjoy this. So bone broth apparently is super good for lots of stuff. Easy to digest, gut-friendly, deliciously sippable instant bone broths make on-the-go wellness convenient and satisfying. And they contain good fats that can help support keto and low-carb diets. Yeah, I definitely got a keto box here, so I need to change that to a not keto. I don't know how I did that. But anyway, now Sam will be happy because the Nutty Gourmet sea salt almonds that I can't eat. This whole package is 170 calories. We are walnut and almond farmers, family owned and family run for 4 generations. Sam will like that. Okay, these are dark chocolate peanut butter cups. Lilo & Co. Organic. Show you those. Those are organic dark chocolate. That's the first ingredient. Contains soy and peanuts for allergens. Those look yummy. The last one that was similar to this, I gave to Sam. I got one. I may keep these. Besides that, he's got nuts. So I think that was a full size. This was a full size. This was a full size. These are individual snacks. Let's see. Now we've got gummy bears. Ooh, 3 grams of sugar per bag. What are the ingredients? Soluble corn fibers, number 1. Allulose. Now, I'm not familiar with that artificial sweetener. Lose usually has to do with something sweet. It's been so long since I've been a health coach, I'm having a hard time remembering. I'll have to look that one up, but I believe that's going to be an artificial sweetener. If you know anything about that, would you put it down below for me? I would love to hear what you have to say. Then, oh, that does have organic cane sugar, but the calories in this pack are only 60 and pretty good sized little container. So this is, they have 6 different flavors that look like fun. Front porch lemonade, grapefruit spritz, blackberry kiss, kiwi sublime, Hawaiian sunrise, and strawberry fields. No sugar alcohols, plant-based recipe. But honestly, aren't all gummy things plant-based? It bugs me when people say things like it's original to their product when really it's just straight across the board for that type of product. Oh, sorry. There I went again, off on a rabbit trail. Natural flavors and colors, love that. A good source of fiber. How many grams of fiber are in this? Wow, 19 grams of fiber. Well, that must be the soluble corn fiber that I talked about in 6 whimsical flavors. So that's pretty cool. I don't know who's going to get that. I think it's going to be me because I picked out the box. But there's another one of our single serve items. A single serve keto crisp maple salted caramel. That sounds good. What are the allergens in this one? Oh, shoot. So this contains tree nuts, almonds, coconuts, which I'm not allergic to, but I am allergic to almonds, soy, and then, yeah, it can contain traces of others. So this is a calorie-laden little bar. It's 190 calories. Sam's getting that one. So that's now 5 of our snacks single serve. And then we have Zing plant-based bar, dark chocolate mint. That sounds delicious, but it's in almond butter. So Sam will be getting that one. Sam's making out today. This is probably going to be for Sam too. Keto-friendly snickerdoodles with some boab cookies. That word right there. I don't know what that is. So this is going to have allergens in it. Eggs, milk, almonds. Man. So this is one of our full-size products. 3 cookies, 110 calories. He can have it. So there. And we have cauliflower crackers. And I just figured something out. I don't think this is the full-size box, guys. This doesn't have, what did they say, 8 to 10 full-size products? No, this has 5. From the ground up cauliflower sea salt crackers. Something got confused. I do love these. I've eaten them before, so I'll keep those. Yeah, this was supposed to have 10 to 12 full-size products plus 5 individual size items, but the gluten-free is 5 to 8 full-size plus samples, bonus items, and exclusive offers. So it looks like we got the sample size, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 sample size, and this might be a bonus item in there. And 5, I think this is the balanced snack box that is, maybe it's keto friendly. I'm very confused right now. Guys, I don't know what I have. That's not helping things, is it? I've done a little research on the boxes and everything. Now, apparently this whole time I've maybe been getting the keto box and not the gluten-free. So that would explain why so many nuts and everything. They definitely sent me a keto box this time, at least. This is not the big snacker that I thought I was getting, and quite frankly, I paid for. This is the regular keto box, from what I can tell. I've been saying that these are snack sized, and actually they're individual sized. I was using the wording wrong. And then, of course, there was paperwork in there that has different offers and information on different things from within the box. So I'm going to get in touch with the company. I think what may have happened was I changed it to the big snacker, so that's what they charged me, but it shipped out almost immediately after I changed that, so it could be that the warehouse didn't get the note on what I was supposed to have. So I'm going to get in touch with them, see what I can come up with. If there's any updates on that, I will either, if I can do it quickly, have Sam put it across the bottom of the screen, or I will put that into the drop-down box. Still like the company. It's probably an honest mistake that happened. Jumping back in. Okay. First of all, I'm very sorry about all of the confusion. I should have had a better idea of how the pricing structure with Balance Box works before I filmed this. I actually thought I understood it, but with so many boxes, I get easily confused. Okay, so here's the deal. You pay for the box for the next month, the month before. That's as simple as it is. So this box that I'm unboxing now, this is the keto box, by the way. It was already in process of being shipped when I changed it to the big snacker box, and we'll be seeing that one next month. So they did everything right. It's me who goofed things up. I still love this company. We're super enjoying the snacks. Now let's just finish up with the unboxing, and thanks for sticking with me. So there we go. That is my balanced snack box for the month of December. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. We will see you on the next unboxing. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Just real quick, taking my pictures for Instagram, got done with them, ripped open the gummy bears. These are so delicious, really yummy. I'm gonna be looking for these.
Testing 1, 2. Yeah, you can see it.
Goggle eyes, goggle eyes.
Okay.